Alright, we finished our first comparison here. On the right side you'll see about a 50-50 dilution of outdoor bleach versus a 50-50 dilution of simple green. The bleach side looks slightly brighter, but also the bleach side was easier and faster to pressure wash. I had to go much slower to do the simple green side to achieve this almost the same cleanliness. And I let it soak for about 5 minutes. And that's what I started with, obviously, in the center, that stripe there, to show you how bad it was. So anyway, roughly a 50-50 dilution, which is what the instructions call for concrete. And we know that outdoor bleach is not very expensive either. This is from Home Depot right here. So anyway, alright, now we switch the view. Right side is diluted simple green, left side is diluted outdoor bleach. Both soaked for roughly 5 minutes. I say the bleach side looks slightly cleaner, as well as it was faster. So for those two, that's a winner, the bleach side. Alright, now we shall try, how about we try bleach versus ZEP. Industrial Purple degreaser, also 5-star rated online for this sort of use. So we're going to compare the bleach strip to the ZEP strip, and we'll follow whatever instructions it say. Let's have a look. For heavy soils, it calls for 20 ounces of solution per gallon of water. So that's what we're going to do. Outdoor bleach versus ZEP Industrial Purple. Be right back.